getting high on my own bath bomb supply. Hello pumpkins, welcome to another spooky season video on my channel. My name's Aaliyah, I'm your host, whatever that means in YouTube terms. And today we're going to be doing another unboxing. Actually a couple of them. I'll probably break it up into two videos. So the first one is going to be a mystery bucket from Not Your Average Babe. They are a super cute online store. I think they maybe have an in-person shop as well. They do a ton of Halloween themed things, slasher stuff, all the good things. This is, once again, not sponsored, but I just ordered this from them because it looked fun. I can't resist a mystery. This was a mystery bucket full of Halloween goodies. Yeah, I have been putting off this video because I feel like I always need to like look super cute or like have my makeup on or like my hair is super greasy right now. But also that means that I just like was never recording it and now it's only a few days before Halloween and I wanted to make sure I got this out. I'm just gonna go for it. If you're here to only look at my face when it has makeup on it, then I guess this video is not gonna be for you. But if you're here to see awesome Halloween goodies, then this video is for you. Let's get into opening this mystery bucket. It's a mystery bucket, a lot of rustling. This was a one-time like special thing they did on their website for Halloween. I think maybe they do it every year. If you are into this, you can check out their website. Once again, I'm not sponsored by them, but if you like anything you see, I'll put the link to their website down below and you can go and check it out. And they're a small business, so, you know, it's always good to support small businesses. And honestly, just looking at their website, if you like anything about Halloween, there's probably going to be stuff on there you want to buy. So I have pulled out all the packing material. So the first thing is here's the bucket. You can see why it's called a mystery bucket. It's because it's packaged all cute in this little happy Halloween bucket, which I'll show you a little better once I take all the plastic off. There was something extra in here. I think maybe this is just because it wouldn't fit in the bucket, but it comes with it. So I'll show you those first. There's a couple of shirts. Ooh, long sleeve. That's nice. Okay, this is pretty cute. It's a little skull with little like ghosts coming out, and there's a Grim Reaper. I don't know, that's a fun logo. And also I just really love that it's a long sleeve, so it's good for, you know, the colder season. That's really cute. Also the color. I actually don't own a lot of blue stuff, but this, not because I don't like blue, I don't know why, I just like don't buy it a lot, but this blue color is really pretty. Okay, second shirt. Okay, I'm really into this one. It says Spirit Board Ouija, and it has kind of like the Ouija board look, and then it has three little skeletons dancing around a bonfire. There's a little moon. That is so cute. I love that for the Halloween season. I'm so excited about that. I will definitely be wearing that. I don't wear a ton of just like t-shirts because I just have so many other clothes, but definitely for around the house and things, I will wear this for sure. Okay, I'm just gonna take the plastic off first and then we'll talk about it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Seriously, I know I've said this already, but I just love a surprise box. Something so exciting about just not knowing what's in there, but knowing you're probably gonna like it and opening it up. Okay, so what should we look at first? What is this? Oh, this is really sweet. Okay, so this is a little crepe or creepy paper, if you watch what we do in the shadows. Creepy paper decoration. So it's kind of hard to tell when it's all squinched up, but you can see that's what it looks like. It's a little, like it fans out. That's really nice. It's just a little fun decoration touch in there. This is a magnet. If you watch my spirit haul video, you'll see I got a couple of these like heavy duty magnets to put on my car for Halloween. And that's like what this is. It's a, you know, one of those beefy magnets that, I mean, I guess you could put this on your fridge, but I think they're kind of meant to go on your car. And it says support Halloween. It has little ghosts and little jack-o'-lantern. It's like one of those ribbons. A little spider web. Probably put that on my car later. Okay. Ooh. Also, it's packed with these little like accordion paper packing, which are really fun, but I can't let my cat get anywhere near them because she will just eat it all. She's so weird. So I'll definitely need to make sure I clean this all up and throw it away, or she will just eat it. Anyway, okay, so this looks like a towel. Also, everything in here smells really good. I don't know why. I guess, well, maybe we haven't gotten to that yet. The reason why everything smells really good. It's actually 2 towels. Okay, yeah, so these look like bath hand towels, or I guess you could use them in the kitchen. It doesn't really matter, but I feel like when they're a certain texture, I think of it as like a bath for use in your bathroom. And they have the cutest little, I say cute a lot. They have the most adorable little jack-o'-lantern print on them, as you can see, orange and little black jack-o'-lanterns. And also I love this little detail on the edge, the little like striped ribbing on the edge is so cute. And there are 2 of those, like a good bathroom towel, hand towels. It comes in a set, which is nice. I'll probably go put these in my bathroom right now or after this video. So those are very nice. They're really like thick and good quality feeling too. I feel like sometimes, and even the hand towels that I got that I showed in previous videos, when you get just those little holiday themed ones at, Ross or wherever, it's kind of like a thin material. I think you probably know what I'm talking about. It's like a little cheaper feeling. These are really, really soft and thick and lush, I'm going to say. So that's really nice. They're a really good quality towel. What is this? Ooh, this might be what we're smelling. I don't know. So this is a whipped sugar scrub. Superstitious, sweet and spicy patchouli, vanilla, and black pepper. So I guess it's just like a body scrub, that you can use in the shower or the bath or whatever. Oh, it smells really good. Also, there's a cute little cat. It's just a fun surprise at the top. I didn't know that was there. I don't know what that is. I guess a little soap or something? But seriously, it smells so good. I feel like sugar scrubs aren't really a thing I normally buy myself, but I will definitely be using this now that I have it. Man, this just like never ends. Okay, so one of the things was that I knew was going to be in here was a mug, because they specifically said it was either like a character mug or just a Halloween theme mug. They did give the option to personalize like what kinds of theme you like. So if you're a big fan of Friday the 13th, you can say that. Or if you're a big fan of Trick or Treat or whatever, and you might get more stuff that's themed that way. I didn't specify anything because I didn't see that you could do that until after I'd already put in my order. So I just was like, I'll just be happy with whatever I get. And it looks like I don't know if that's because I didn't really specify anything, but it's definitely everything is more sort of Halloween, generally Halloween themed. Like there isn't really any like branded stuff in here, which is totally fine. Like I was up for whatever I was going to get. But they do, just so you know, because I'm not seeing a lot of it in here yet. They do have a ton of cool ass branded stuff on their website. They have Halloween, like the movie Halloween. They have Friday the 13th stuff. Trick or Treat, like kind of all the major Halloween franchises, they have cool clothing items and different things that you can get. So I would say if you're more into that and less into sort of general Halloween, then I would definitely still check out what they have, because there's maybe something you're going to want. So I got a very, very sturdy little mug full of goodies. There's candies in here. Oh, and a little button that says Spooky Babes Club. Love it. Love it. Okay, so my mug is just a straight... I feel like I got the jack-o'-lantern theme box. Like if they were trying to put these together with themes, which I don't know if they were, or bucket, excuse me. I feel like I got the jack-o'-lantern theme one, which honestly is totally okay with me because I love me some jack-o'-lanterns. So the mug is also has a little jack-o'-lantern face. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of like a speckled black with orange speckles, and then the little jack-o'-lantern face on both sides. So like the jack-o'-lantern face, pretty general, but it's still cute. But what I really love about this is the size and the shape. As you can see, it's quite a large mug, and the shape is very wide instead of being tall, which I really like because you can use it for soup and things besides just your hot beverages. I love eating my soup out of a mug sometimes if I just want a little bit. So I think it's going to be really multi-purpose, and I love that. Yay! So many exciting things. There's more still. I mean, I think that's a decent amount of stuff. I will look up how much I paid for this. I can't remember. I want to say it was $100. I don't know. I'll look that up in a minute. But we still have more things to look at here. Oh, Nerds rope. There's definitely a lot of candy. I'm not going to say no. Oh my gosh. You guys. There's a ring pop. Oh wow, that is a real hit of nostalgia for me right there. I haven't had a ring pop in I don't know how long. A really long time. That's exciting. Also, Fruit by the Foot. Haven't had one of those in a really long time. Ooh, socks. I feel like I wasn't a big sock person in Arizona because it's so hot all the time. I just like never wanted to wear socks. But I feel since I have moved back to the Pacific Northwest, I have really embraced my sock heritage, which is my mom just loves socks. I don't know, I feel like that's a thing that she always gives and gets at Christmas, but not just like general socks, like cute socks. And so I feel like I've really embraced that since I've moved back here. So I will definitely be wearing these. They are adorable. And I don't know if I've talked about it on this channel before yet, but I love Disney stuff. My husband and I, when we lived in Arizona, had annual passes to Disneyland. And we went like every month for a year. It was so fun. So I love these. Have like a little Halloween Minnie Mouse on them with a little orange bow. And then it also has the, if you've been to Disneyland at Halloween time, you've seen this a million places, but the little Mickey pumpkin. Love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Okay, I think this is the last thing. My box is now jack-o'-lantern and Disney themed because this is also a Disney themed item. I mean, can you even? That is so silly and so adorable. Okay, it says it's called on the back Boogeyman Bath Bomb, but we all know. We all know who that is. Little super, super cute Oogie Boogie Bath Bomb. I am not a huge bath person. Let me go off on a rant. I am a person that really wants to like baths. Like, I want to be a bath person so bad. But also, it's just always feels like more work than it is relaxing. Like, you have to get ready, fill up the tub, and like get all your stuff together. And then you have to struggle to get it to the right temperature. And then you get in, and then it's cold in like 10 minutes. I don't know. Tell me if I just am doing it wrong. Please send me your bath taking advice because I am not good at baths. I really, really want to be a bath person in theory, but it always just sounds like so much work that I almost never do it. But I love this so much that I will definitely take a bath just so I can use this bath bomb. And also, like, it's huge. Like, look at it compared to my face. This is a good sized bath bomb. Also, I think this is actually what was making everything in the bucket smell good. It's watermelon Jolly Rancher scent. Let me just sniff. Anyway, so yeah. Oh, and then I'll just give you a little bit better view of the bucket here. So it says Happy Halloween. It has little skeletons, jack-o'-lantern. Look at those little dancing skeletons. I think that's what they're doing. I'm going to pretend that's what they're doing. That is everything that was in there. I am certainly... Oh, let me look up how much it was. Okay, yeah. So limited edition mystery bucket. Big. Oh, and I got the big bucket. I think there were 2 different sizes. One had like the shirts and the mug and everything. That's the one I got, and that was $100. Free shipping. So I would say, I mean, there was a lot of stuff in there. I feel like if you added up how much it would cost to buy all of this, especially with 2 shirts, like I feel like shirts alone are like nowadays like $30 to $40. I think this is definitely a good value. I mean, I don't know how much all of these things cost individually, but I definitely feel like I got my money's worth with this. And honestly, getting to open a surprise bucket is worth like an extra $25 to me. So, yeah, so that is it for this unboxing of the mystery bucket from Not Your Average Babe. I'll put their Instagram down below as well, the website. If you want to check anything out, be sure to like and subscribe, and, you know, yell at me down in the comments if you are like, oh my God, that's amazing, or really, that's all I want to hear is, oh my God, that's amazing. But yeah, let me know which item is your favorite. Have you ever purchased anything from them before? I also have purchased just another item that hasn't come yet, or I would show you, but it's a really cute blanket. So maybe I'll give a peek of that in another video. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram. It's at Buccaneers N, like the letter N, ball gowns. I'll put the link down below as well. Seriously. But yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.